The moon landing in 1969 is one of humanity's most celebrated achievements. The theory supporting the event is rooted in decades of scientific advancement, driven by the Cold War space race between the US and the Soviet Union. NASA's Apollo program successfully sent astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin to the moon aboard Apollo 11, with Armstrong famously stepping onto the lunar surface and declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Scientific evidence, including moon rocks brought back to Earth, detailed telemetry data, and hundreds of high-resolution photographs, substantiates the event. Additionally, observatories worldwide tracked Apollo missions, and the retroreflectors left on the moon by astronauts are still used today to measure lunar distances. Conversely, moon landing hoax theories gained traction in the 1970s, fueled by skepticism of government institutions. Critics argue the landing was staged to beat the Soviet Union during the space race, citing perceived anomalies in photographs, such as the absence of stars in the sky and the way the flag appears to wave. Conspiracy theorists also question the technology available at the time, claiming it was insufficient to achieve such a feat. They point to apparent lighting inconsistencies and shadows that suggest studio production. However, debunking efforts emphasize scientific facts. For example, the lack of stars is explained by the exposure settings of the cameras, while the flag's motion resulted from astronauts handling it in a vacuum. Independent verification from countries like the Soviet Union and modern analysis of archival data continue to affirm the moon landing's authenticity.